Well, no matter which casino you're looking at, one thing's for sure, their stock prices are down. Hey guys, it's Vegas here today. Today I'm going to go ahead and play Seven Kingdoms as my slot of the day. We're going to go ahead and do our usual usual 100 spins, I should say, on Seven Kingdoms. So we'll go ahead and get that out of the way. I'm doing this today because I'm actually researching another video. I wanted to see primarily why stock prices are down for the casino. Oh, wow. Absurd. This isn't going to work for me. So the free spins, we have a high likelihood of free spins if we put 37,500,000 into this. So we'll do the same thing that we did yesterday. 37,500,000. So we'll go ahead and put that in, and we'll do 100 spins. So new mark, get set, ready, go. All right, so yeah, the big thing I've been researching is why casino stocks are all down. I'm not sure if you guys had a chance to look at my Caesars merger video, my Caesars MGM merger video, but I did some research for that last week when I had heard about it. I'd only had a day to do some turnaround, so it was kind of limited research. But I was checking their stock prices and all that, and in my investigation, I discovered that everybody's stock had been falling quite a bit. And that also Caesars, they were looking pretty weak without a CEO. Mark Versora is actually stepping down from his leadership position, so he probably won't be around too much longer. I think in February he's actually stepping down officially. I haven't heard anything about Jen Murren doing anything different, and obviously Wynn Casinos, they just lost Steve Wynn because of all these sexual assault allegations and all, so that hasn't looked good for him. Uh, I haven't been following to see if there have been any trials or charges formally filed against him, but either way, with all these women coming forward, it is not looking good for Steve, and it's not looking good for Wynn. They were nearly $200 at the start of the year, and right now they are hovering, I think, just above $100. I'll have to check the stock prices maybe again after I shoot this video, and then I'll probably have a little something for a video for you guys next week. But yeah, it's actually been pretty rough in the casino world, and I understand that the earnings have been a little down too, which was surprising. I mean, when HQ and I went this last time in September, we actually had a pretty good time. We had a pretty easy time getting the room upgrade and all that good type of stuff too. It was still really crowded though. Anywhere that we went, like we go to the pool, we go to Times Square bar. I think the only place that was relatively quiet was House of Blues, honestly, but everywhere else it was kind of crowded. The regular casino bars, depending on what time of day it was, were kind of quiet too. But and another thing I did notice is that the tables were quiet. So I'm not sure if it's just the gaming revenue that's down or if it's revenue in general. And I know that MGM's been missing. Not sure how well Caesar's been doing, but their stock price indicates they're not doing great. And also the fact that they're running out of CEOs right now, that doesn't help either. They're still struggling with bankruptcy, so that's another thing to consider too. Amongst all the missed, the missed marks and the missed budgets and all the other allegations of misconduct and all that, it's been a really rough year for casino gaming stocks, I think. And there goes another one. Not a free spin all day here today, guys. I don't know, no bonuses. So I guess we're still gonna keep talking about the stock market and all, which makes me wish I researched a little more because I really don't have anything else to discuss regarding this topic here. Not much else going on this side either. Would love to see those free spins come in. Oh well. Yeah, it looks like a lousy game today. But yeah, something I really wanted to research. I'll probably research it a bit more this weekend too, while I'm putting out the Binions and the My Vegas Top 10 Tips videos, so you guys have a glimpse of the top 10s this week. Oh, wait. Might we get something? No, we did not get anything. I thought that was going to be a free spin bonus. We only have 6 more to go. Huge one. Alright, that's not bad. Alright, our last 5 spins. Hopefully we get some free ones to go ahead and make up for this lousy game here. And then hopefully MGM and Caesars, they can go ahead and make up for their lousy business. But the good news about them being lousy and doing lousy is that we're still going to go ahead and get some pretty good deals here. All right, so it looks like we ended at 22,500,322. So let me go ahead and do some maths here real quick. We're going to take a break, and I'm going to count up the booty. All right, we're back, you guys. And apparently, Noel Young, apparently he won the 2 billion chips. Wow, indeed, from the tournament. I think there was a big tournament this weekend. I don't know. I wasn't terribly interested in it. And I did crunch the numbers, and it looks like we came back with a return percentage of 88.34% from Seven Kingdoms. So that's better than we've been doing, but still not good enough to be a favorite game. We're about 6 pages in right now. And after we finish the multi-slots, we'll be starting on a new page there. And we're already 1 game in with Mandalay Bay, and that's going to be a short one too. So that'll be pretty cool. But until then, I'm going to go ahead and get some more research and more writing done. So Ace of Vegas is signing out. Happy spinning.